F for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means game. C for cat. Cat means Billy. Meow, meow. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Wow, 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 wow. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for God. God means bakri. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy. J for jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for line. Line means shade. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means khosla. O for orange. Orange means Mosambi. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means malka. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for ship. Ship means jahaz. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. V for van. Van means bus. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.